The way you search the internet today is the result of one of the biggest technology battles in history. From ancient text-based tools in the 90s to AI engines that can think like humans. The story of search is full of brilliant wins, shocking fails, and fierce wars between tech giants. And trust me, by the end, you'll never look at Google the same way again. The internet in 1990 was basically a messy library with no catalog. Then came Archie, the first search tool, though it could only list file names from FTP servers. Next, Veronica and Jughead for Gopher networks, fun names, but limited power. In 1993, Excite stepped in, analyzing keywords in context. This was the spark that would ignite the search revolution. 1994 saw the rise of Yahoo, but it wasn't a search engine at first. It was a human-edited directory with people manually organizing websites. The same year brought WebCrawler, the first to index entire pages, and Lycos, which became an early giant. By 1996, the competition was heating up. AltaVista arrived with lightning-fast indexing, and Ask Jeeves let you type in natural language, years before Siri. The late 90s was a crowded battlefield. InfoSeek backed by Disney, Hotbot with fresh daily indexes, Go.com, and regional kings like Baidu in China and Yandex in Russia. But in 1998, everything changed. Google was born. Larry Page and Sergey Brin's PageRank algorithm ranked sites by link importance, delivering cleaner, more relevant results. Within just a few years, Google crushed AltaVista, Lycos, and most rivals. Yahoo tried to fight back, buying Overture and Inktomi, but failed to keep pace. AltaVista was sold multiple times before vanishing. Microsoft joined with MSN Search, later rebranded as Live Search, and finally Bing in 2009. They poured billions into the fight. But despite all efforts, Google's simplicity, speed, and growing ad empire kept it number one. Not everyone wanted Google's data tracking. DuckDuckGo rose in popularity, offering privacy-focused search. Then came AI, and the rules changed overnight. In late 2022, ChatGPT stunned the world with human-like answers. Microsoft quickly integrated it into Bing. Google scrambled, launching Bard, now Gemini, to defend its crown. Winners: Google's rise from a college project to a $1.8 trillion empire. Survivors: Bing, DuckDuckGo, Baidu. Casualties: AltaVista, Lycos, InfoSeek, Ask Jeeves, giants of their time, gone because they failed to innovate fast enough. We're moving into an age where your search engine won't just find answers, it will anticipate your needs. If you love this deep dive, smash that like button, share it with your tech friends, and subscribe to CodeZynox for more epic tech stories. The war for search isn't ending, it's just getting started.